Hey there friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how to give your porch all the cozy fall feels. And as I'm trying to decorate in between the rain, we're going to take a break and cook up a delicious hearty soup to enjoy as you stay cozy this autumn season. If you're new to the channel, my name is Karen and welcome. I would love it if you would take a moment to subscribe for more decorating and day in the life videos. Autumn is such a dreamy time of the year, and what I love about the seasons changing is having the opportunity to change out my patio and my front porch. So today's video, as I shared in the intro, is going to be all about decorating my front porch. I do have a vision, and so I'm really hoping it comes together today. It is a little bit of a rainy day, so we're going to be running between the raindrops. But the great thing is about your front porch, friends, is to me it's the last thing I look at when I pull out of the driveway. It is the first thing I look at when I pull back in. Not to mention, I like, because we have a lot of neighbors that walk around, you want it to be a place that people look over and they see that it's really fun and festive, but also a place that looks warm and welcoming. So I've gathered up some of my festive fall pillow covers and some throws, and we're gonna do a little DIY. Plus we got a piece just this week that I'm so happy it got here just in time for this video. Is we got a bench that fits perfectly here on the front porch, so I cannot wait to start decorating with it. The first thing we're going to do is to give our windows a good cleaning on the outside. I already did the inside earlier this morning, hoping that the rain would blow over. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to clear off any debris so we can start with a clean canvas. My tips in creating a fall feel on your front porch is to incorporate natural elements, let nature do the decorating. So the first thing we're going to add here are corn stalks. And these are going to be the pillars of my decor theme. Now it is time to start adding the pieces of furniture and my festive pillows and throws, lanterns to help create a cozy ambience. When I first picked up this tree from Hobby Lobby, I had a vision of what I thought I wanted it to look like here on the front porch. Though I felt like it needed to be a little bit fuller, so I decided to pick up 2 stems from Hobby Lobby to add to it, and thought I could just tape them here to the base of the faux tree. And then, as you can see, I'm going to be adding some moss. And I really did think it came out really pretty, and I was just gonna place it somewhere here on the porch once I got everything decorated to just get an idea of where I wanted to put it. But as you will see here at the end of the day, I just didn't feel it. It wasn't the vibe that I was going for. So I did end up putting this in the house. I decided it was time to repurpose this wooden crate that was actually used for a fall DIY years ago, and I will link that video for you. But it was getting a little bit old, so I wanted to create some height here to display these beautiful mums. And this was the perfect piece to use, as well as using these wooden slices that I love to use in my home for decorating, again, incorporating natural elements. love the use of flameless candles, and especially here on my front porch, and how it creates a very warm and welcoming effect. This festive wreath with all the beautiful fall hues I found at Lutz's greenhouse when I was taking you all along with me on my last Days in the Night video that is titled Hello September, and I am so pleased on how it looks here on my front door. I love sharing with all of you seasonal recipes, and I thought it was the perfect time to take a break and cook up and share with you all today, since I'm decorating my front porch in between the raindrops, and I wanted the house to smell warm and feel comfy and cozy. But at the same time, I always enjoy sharing something with all of you delicious that I think you and your family are going to love, and this Italian tortellini soup with sausage and spinach is the perfect recipe. What is it about the sizzling sounds of the garlic and the onion sauteing? Anytime I have a recipe with this base, I know I'm going to love it, and especially for today's Italian tortellini soup. Make sure that you check out the description section for the link for this delicious soup. My favorite part about decorating is adding all those extra touches, so let me show you. Decorating is so therapeutic to me, and it just really makes me happy trying to use my creative juices to come up with different looks, especially when it comes to seasonal decorating. So what is your therapeutic passion? If you have a hobby, let me know in the comment section. I keep an extra bin in my basement of faux foliage and just extra stems, and I knew that this window box needed more color, so I went down and just grabbed a couple pieces. It's a little bit of mix, not match, but you know, that's how I am when it comes to decorating, and just added these special touches to pull it all together. When I decorate using corn stalks, I do like to expose some of the corn, again, giving it a little more color here on my front porch. And I know some people mentioned in years past, aren't you afraid that the deer are gonna come up and eat the corn? And thank goodness we have not had that issue. Adding extra color and texture is as simple as just pulling out some candle rings, or like I said before, some extra faux stems that you have laying around, just to add more color and warmth to your decorating. And I can tell you one thing, friends, I love it when our kids come home and they always say, Mom, everything looks so beautiful and cozy, just like we remember. I loved creating memories for our children who are now adults, but now for our grandbabies. And at the end of the day, friends, isn't it what it's all about? Between all the raindrops, yes, I'm so happy I finally got my front porch all decorated for the autumn season, and it's exactly what I envisioned. So now, after all that hard work, it's time to try out this delicious soup. Oh my goodness, it smells wonderful. Let's give it a try. Wow, that is phenomenal. This is so good. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my soup, and I'll make sure I will list the recipe for all of you in the description section. Another extra added touch, I like to add cornstalk here too. Actually, these are two to my lamppost. So I'm gonna add a bow, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a hanging mom to go right here. And then it's gonna be all done, and it has come together so beautifully. If you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe, like, and share.